To turn on the gas, you want to open this cupboard here. So this cupboard is a front for the actual gas cylinder cupboard, and this is a locked and sealed unit, so you want to push some pressure in to open these two catches and open the cupboard, and you'll see the gas cylinder there. All you want to do to turn it on is turn it 4 times to the left, and then again to turn it back off again, all you need to do is turn it 4 or so times to the right until it stops completely, and that then turns off the gas. Anytime you finish with anything in the gas cupboard, you always want to make sure that you've properly closed and sealed this cupboard. So this is how you turn on the extractor fan if you're either cooking or you want to get some airflow in the van. So you want to start by turning on the switch for the roof fan on the control panel, and then you take this handle out of the slot and turn it over. You then want to turn it anti-clockwise, so we get 1 rotation and it clicks twice, which opens the window, and then you want to keep turning it to as far open as you want. It will stop itself when it reaches the max there, and then you just tuck the handle back in again. In order to then turn on the fan, you want to use this switch here. So at the moment it's off, so you can see that this points towards the off, and all you want to do is turn it round to max or to wherever you need, which then brings the airflow out. So now we've turned on both the gas and the extractor fan, you want to take your lighter, which is kept in the top drawer, and you press in the knob of the hob that you want to turn on. So press this on and turn it to the side, and you'll hear the gas come through, and then all you need to do is light the flame to turn on the gas. To turn it off, all you need to do is turn that knob back up to the top, which turns off the gas again.